Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect WhatsApp to Meta Business Suite. Alright, let's begin. First, open any preferred browser and search for Meta Business Suite. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, go to Inbox and then select the WhatsApp tab from the top. Once done, click on Get Started and then all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions to create a WhatsApp business account with a new, unregistered phone number. Once set up, you can start messaging contacts on WhatsApp directly from Inbox by entering their phone numbers. Note that this feature is not available in all of the regions, so if it is not showing up on your account, then you just need to wait for it to be launched. So that's basically how you can connect WhatsApp to Meta Business Suite. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.